My name is Carla Kingston Floyd. I am the program coordinator and the full-time faculty member at the Supply Chain Management Postgrad program at St. Lawrence College. My route to Rose Rocket was an interesting journey. I have been trying to tag up with a transportation management software program for over 8 years. I have been told no numerous times. But I met Albert through Minimax, and they use this software, and he made the electronic introduction to Rose Rocket. And that was the start of a beautiful relationship. So I use Rose Rocket as a simulated tool to run a trucking company as part of the program. So for the first semester, they're learning what is a trucking company, what are all of the risk mitigations, what are all the rules and regulations. But I always wanted to make a simulated transportation trucking company for them to actually apply their skills to. So Rose Rocket enables our students to actually look at a TMS software, and from there they can decide how the entire system works from the time you get that call from the customer until the time you get the payment. The ability to be able to use real-world industry software has been a huge benefit to how I teach in the class. We can go through all of the theory and all of the application in the primary classes, but then to be able to apply that knowledge and use it on the software and to see the implication of your decisions. I think that's the biggest thing.
Hi, I am Vinit Pavaskar. I am a supply chain professional. Prior to joining St. Lawrence to pursue my postgraduate certificate in supply chain management, I was working in supply chain industry close to 4 years. I figured out that I want to know some insights of the domain specific of supply chains. One thing I would really like about Rose Rocket is their interface was so clear and so nice that any person can easily learn and see how the things are moving from one end to another end.
It's so user-friendly. You have the Rose Rocket Academy that if you need some reinforcement on how to do something, that is there for you. You can walk through the entire process of recruiting drivers and adding to your equipment, adding customers, invoicing your customers, and then analyzing all of those tools. The legacy report is an amazing report which I use week to week in the classroom, and the students were very quickly able to identify, oh, we messed up this order last week. So it's an amazing teaching tool. So I can only imagine how user-friendly it is in the actual sector.
I was able to input orders, create the manifest, and do the dispatching, which is, I don't have any experience of that, and I enjoyed in that area. Because of Rose Rocket, I intend to divert to transportation industry.
In future, if I have to start my own fleet for my business, I would definitely consider Rose Rocket as my first option.
If I could share one last thing, it would be my profound appreciation to Rose Rocket. To be a forward-thinking company to see that, yes, training these students is beneficial for the sector that's in such need of employees on both sides, on the road and inside associates. So the last thing I would like to say is a huge thank you to Rose Rocket for one, making my job easier, and two, making my students better.